So chapter 2.7, example number 6, asks us to solve for x given this inequality with some fractions. So the first thing we want to do is get rid of those denominators, and we can do that by multiplying each term by the least common multiple of 8, 3, and 6. And in this case, the least common multiple is going to be 24 because they all go into 24. We could use a bigger number, but then it would end up, we'd have to cancel things out, and it's easiest to just use the smallest multiple that they all have in common. So when we multiply each term by that 24, it's gonna cancel out. And then make things a little bit cleaner. So 24 over 8 is gonna reduce to 3 over 1. 24 over 3 reduces to 8 over 1, and then 24 over 6 is 4 over 1. So then this entire equation just becomes 3 times x plus 3 minus 8 times x minus 1 less than or equal to 4 times 5 is just 20. And then from here we can distribute. Now we just want to solve for x. So we have 3x plus 9 minus 8x plus 8, because we have a negative and a negative. All of this less than or equal to 20. And then we can combine like terms. So negative 5x plus 17 less than or equal to 20. Get that x by itself. So then if we divide this by negative 5 and then divide the other side by negative 5, that sign is going to flip because it's a negative. So x is greater than or equal to negative 3/5. And essentially what this means is, here's a number line, $x values. Let's say negative 3/5 is right here, negative 10, let's say, is over here, and then we have a 0 and then everything above that. So what this means is any x value that is greater than or equal to negative 3/5, if we plug it back into the original equation, the statement becomes true. And we can check this. So let's say x equals 0. Then we have 0 plus 3 over 8 minus 0 minus 1 over 3 less than or equal to 5/6. Then if we simplify this, we have 3 over 8 plus 1/3. And then if we use common denominators, then it becomes 9 over 24 plus 8 over 24, and then 20 over 24, and then this is 17, so this is true. And then similarly, if we plug in anything less than negative 3 over 5, it's not going to be true. So let x equal, let's say negative 10, and we have then if we simplify this, we get negative 7 over 8 minus negative 11, so plus 11 over 3, and then this gives you 67 over 24, which is not less than or equal to 20 over 24. So anything on this side, all x values over here is going to make the statement true, and all the x values on from here on over here, the statement becomes false.